Hello and welcome back to Ajayastro Money Guru, where we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on various commodities. Today, we are focusing on the black pepper market, which is currently in a state of flux due to several factors impacting its price and availability. Let's dive into the details and understand what's happening in this volatile market. The black pepper market is currently experiencing a phase of sluggish activity as demand remains subdued across key global markets, particularly in regions like the Middle East, the United States, and the European Union. Several factors are contributing to this quiet period in the market, and there are a few key trends to watch out for as the situation unfolds. The first major factor influencing the black pepper market is weak demand from major buyers. In the Middle East, buyers are cautious due to sufficient stock levels, while in the USA, high prices have kept demand in check. The EU is facing similar issues, as demand remains sluggish and stock levels are considered adequate for the time being. As a result, many buyers are holding back on new purchases, waiting for prices to stabilize or dip. One of the standout developments in the market is the depreciation of Brazil's currency. This has given Brazilian black pepper a significant price advantage, making it more competitive on the global stage. Brazilian exporters are capitalizing on this shift, and this is exerting pressure on the global market, especially as Vietnam's trading volumes remain high. The combination of Brazil's favorable pricing and Vietnam's continued strong export numbers is impacting global price movements. Another factor to consider is the delayed crop in key black pepper producing regions. Expectations are that the availability of fresh crop will be delayed until the end of February, which is adding a layer of uncertainty to the market. As production slows, the supply side of the equation is less predictable, and this is likely to keep prices volatile in the short term. Speculators are playing a significant role in holding back market activity. Many traders are waiting for better returns on investment, which is causing a slowdown in sales. This is leading to subdued market movements as participants await a more favorable market environment. The speculative nature of this hesitation is contributing to the overall lethargy in market activity. In conclusion, the black pepper market is facing short-term volatility driven by weak global demand, delayed crop arrivals, and speculative pressures. Stay tuned for further updates on the market as it navigates through this period of uncertainty. Thank you for tuning in to Ajayastro Money Guru for the latest updates and insights. Be sure to subscribe for more commodity analysis and market trends. Until next time, stay informed and keep an eye on the markets.